Welcome to Permutations and Combinations. Remember, this is section 13.1, and permutations, by definition, is an arrangement of objects in a specific order. So permutations, the order does matter in arranging objects. There are two different types of permutations. Notice on the first one at the top, you have n for both the situations, the number of objects and how they're arranged. So when you have the same number in parentheses for a permutation, then you just take that number and find the factorial of it. Also, when the number is different for the second one, that was the one with the r, then that would be n factorial over n minus r factorial. Combinations is an arrangement of objects where the order does not matter. And it has a different formula. The formula for combinations is n factorial over n minus r factorial. That would be the same as permutations, but you almost also add the r factorial in the denominator as well. Remember, combinations can never be more than permutations. It can be equal or it can be less, but combinations will never be more than permutations. Let's look at an example of a permutation. This is a permutation 8-3, and a lot of these you will get these numbers from word problems. So the best way to learn if it's permutation or combination is to work a lot of these problems. So once you get the basics down, you'll be able to determine very easily which is which. In doing this, in simplifying this for an answer, we would have 8 times 7 times 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the top. 8 minus 3 would be 5. So that would be 5 factorial would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And notice the parts that are the same we can cancel out. So basically this permutation is 8 times 7 times 6. So 7 times 6, we get 42. So we have 8 times 42. That would, I'm just going to do it longhand here. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. 4 and 8 is 32, 1 is 33. So your answer is 336. Now let's do the same thing, but let's look at it in combination form. We have combination 8-3, and so that would be 8 factorial over, there's that 5 factorial again we have for permutations, and then 3 factorial. So what would that be? 8 times 7 times 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 times 1, over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. So once again, since these are all factors, we can eliminate that. So we know that 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. And we have a 3 times 2 times 1, so that would be a 6 on the bottom. So we have 336 divided by 6. And 6 goes into 33 5 times, that would be 30, 36, and then 6 and 36 is 6. So the answer is 56. Notice we have the same numbers n and r, but remember, combinations cannot be more than permutations. It can only be equal or less. And so for combination 8-3, that would be 56. Remember, combinations, permutations, and factorials can be done on your calculator using the math button, and then going to PBR, which is the option on the right, the tab on the farthest right, and then you do options 2, 3, and 4.